Hey there, if you didn't know, I'm addicted to Amazon. I buy a lot of clothes on Amazon, which I wouldn't think to look for, and I find such amazing pieces for such great quality. So I want to show you some of my favorites here today, and let's get into it. I feel like I've talked about these in a dozen videos, but I have all of these pearl hair clips, and I'm wearing one of them right now, but they're such good quality, and I love to wear them. I'm so happy that the clip trend has come back, and I have a video of how to style them if you're interested in that, but those are one of my very favorite accessories, and I just wanted to throw that in there before we get into the clothes, because clothes look great, but accessories make it even better. If you're an OG follower, you know I am all about the Paperbag Pants. These are so amazing and such a great staple in my wardrobe. They're comfier than sweatpants, and they're stretchy and super comfy, but they can still be professional, which is amazing. You can wear them if you're a teacher, you can wear them if you're a mom, you can wear them if you work in an office. You can literally wear them anywhere, and you can dress them up and down however you please, but they're so comfortable, and I have these in olive green. I'm really looking into getting them in dusty blue and mauve and the red. Basically all of them, but I just love them, and I think they're such a great staple to have. If you haven't tried them out, definitely give them a try, because I was actually genuinely surprised by them because I didn't think I would like them, but I actually love them. If you want a more baggy look, definitely size up. I know I did, and it's definitely given me the look that I wanted. Next, I have this skirt that it seems like everybody's raving about on Instagram. It is so beautiful, and it's for good reason that everyone loves it, because it's super comfortable, not see-through at all. It doesn't have any lining, but you don't need it. It has pockets, it has an elastic waistband, and it hits at a really nice part of the body. It comes in so many different colors. I'm probably going to buy them in like, I don't know, 2 or 3 other colors, so don't judge. But I just love this one so much. It's super cute and easy to wear. You can literally dress it up and down however you'd like, but this is a really good closet staple for me as well, because summers are hot and wearing pants are hard. So I'm always in Paperbag pants and skirts because they're super lightweight and really nice this time of year. Next, I have this super cute embroidered shirt. I love t-shirts, and I like to find them with a little bit more pizzazz, I guess you can say, instead of just a plain shirt. I like to find them with different patterns and embroidery and things like that. So this one is a really good find that I have. It has the beautiful embroidery at the neckline, and I just love this rust color. It looks so pretty, and it goes with so many different things. So this is a good find that I found on Amazon, and I have everything linked down below along with the sizes that I have. This is a medium, but I feel like I could have gotten a small. The sizing ranges so much from all these different products, so I'll definitely include that in the description. Next is another top that I found. It's this beautiful peplum top. I love the contrast of the blue and the white. And it has a really flattering waistline, so it hits at the smallest part of the body, so it just is super loose and flowy and really flattering. It has a V-neck, which elongates the neck, and it's not see-through at all, which is really nice. But if you are worried, you can layer with a tank top, but you don't have to, because it's not really that see-through at all. But this one is super lightweight and perfect for summer too. I'm all about lightweight, comfy fabric that still looks really cute and put together. This is a dress I found on Amazon, and I don't know if they have the exact one anymore, but I know there's a ton of other similar options. But it's this beautiful button-down dress, and can you get over the color? The color is very me. I love this color, and I wear it way too much, but it's a good thing. I love this color. I think it's beautiful. But it has functioning buttons, and it's super, super lightweight linen material. I think that this one is really pretty, and you can wear it with so many different things, which is so nice. But this one is a really good one. It hits right above the knee, and it's just a really flattering, comfy dress. I'm all about graphic tees in the summer, so when I found this one, I thought it was so cute. I got this last year, but it still is on Amazon. It has this little rainbow, and it says good vibes. They have a couple of different options of different sayings and things like that, but I just thought the rainbow and the colors were just really cute. And I have this t-shirt in one of my videos on how to tie a graphic tee or just any oversized shirt, and I'll have that linked right here as well, because that is a really fun way that you can dress up your t-shirts for summer or really any time of year. But that's how I wear my t-shirts. And this one was a really good find, and it's really comfortable material, which is a major win. I have this other graphic t-shirt I want to share with you, but I don't know if I have the exact one in stock, but I know there is a similar one, and it's this beautiful botanical flower shirt. I know bloggers say this all the time, but do you know how many comments and questions and people stopping me that I've had about this shirt? Everyone wants this shirt. Not everybody, but a lot of people like this one. So I wanted to make sure I included it in this video. It's super, super cute. I love it. I think it's really cool and vintage looking. And I have a couple options that I'll have linked in the description. They have a couple different patterns of flowers, a couple different species of flowers all over them. So they're just really comfy and lightweight and super easy to wear with literally whatever you want. If you're looking for the perfect date night top, let me introduce you to this gorgeous embroidered shirt. They come in so many different colors. I like the red one because I just love red. I love that pop of color. And it has really pretty real embroidery all over it. It's really lightweight as well. I will say that this one will stain clothes, so make sure that you wash it really good before you wear it or wash it with any other clothes, because I remember washing it and it took me like 2 or 3 washes in order to get all of the dye out. But just letting you know, in case if you don't want the red one, maybe go for another color if you don't want to do that. But this one is well worth it because I just love it so much and I wear it all the time. It's one of my really favorite shirts that I wear for date night, or just to have a lightweight top for more professional things, or just to have a nicer night out one. I have 2 more things I want to show you, and they're both dresses and they're both super comfy. So I'm really excited to show you because comfy dresses are my love language. First, it's this pineapple one. And if you've been around a while, you know that I really like pineapples. My husband has actually proposed to me with my ring inside a pineapple. That's kind of a funny story, but I'll have to tell that for another time. But I'll include a picture right here. And this is so comfy. It has pockets. It has the elastic waistband. I ordered this a size up because I wanted a more baggy, loose-fitting look. But if you want it more true to size, definitely order your normal size. But I love this one. I think it's super comfy. It hits right below my knee, but I think it's just because I got a bigger size. So I think it'll hit right above the knee if you get your normal size. Last but not least, I have this really cute mauve drawstring dress. It's super comfy, lightweight. It literally is just like a little t-shirt dress. And it's the perfect pull cover up, or if you just want to go to the store or whatever. It's a really good option to have for the summer because it's really lightweight, like I mentioned before, and I just love all of these items for summer. I just think that they're super comfy and just perfect to add to your summer wardrobe. Those are all my favorite Amazon clothing items for summer. This was a really fun video to do because I love Amazon, so if you're looking for anything else on Amazon, or if you want me to do a haul about anything specifically on Amazon, definitely let me know in the comments. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button, and if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell icon so you'll be notified every single time I post. Thanks for watching!